हमें किताब में बच्चों को कुछ पढ़ रहा है
विवेक
बैठो या पढ़ भी रहे हो?
नाम कुछ सुनाई नहीं दे रहे।
यस मैम।
मैम अब तो बिल्कुल ही आवाज चली गई। हम बिल्कुल ही नहीं बोल रहे। जो आ रही थी वो भी चली गई।
Last night, am I audible now?
Yes ma'am.
Okay, great. I don't know why today I'm having lots of.
मैम वो पहले वो सही आ रही थी, सुनाई दे रहा था।
किसमें वीडियो सुनाई दिया था?
यस मैम थोड़ी बहुत आ रही थी वो। हम इस बार और कुछ नहीं सुनाई दे रहा था।
Okay, leave it. I will send you the link, then you can watch the video. And now I'm going to explain the chapter. Wait a minute. I'm going to share the screen.
प्लीज ऑपरेट मतलब ये आंसर आने लगा इतना लेजी काम करती हो ऑपरेट ऊपर स्पेलिंग लिखी AF.
Okay, so the rock. What is the rock? Actually, when we are talking about a rock, simply we can say it is the solid form or a form of a crystalline which is having the combination of different minerals like substances, and in the outer layer of earth where we found the lithosphere, all the part of the lithosphere is made up of rock. Okay. It means that the earth crust is, we know that the earth is having three part: crust, mantle and core. So earth crust is made up of rock. Clear? All the earth crust is made up of rock. The different minerals in the rocks make different kinds of rock. The combination of minerals may be different in rock. Sometimes what you call iron is more in rock, granite is less than iron. Sometimes we can say that magnesium is more, aluminum is less. Like these types of combination as they are presented in the rock. So in short form, we can say rock is not the composition of a single element or mineral. This is an important line that you have to fix it in your mind, that rock is not the composition of a single element or mineral. It is the combination of more than one element and mineral. Are you getting me, class 9? Am I audible?
Yes ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the rock. Simple
Yes,
thing.
ma'am.
I'll show you the picture. You can see In this picture, there are different rocks of different shapes, of different size, of different colors. Okay. Some rocks are igneous, some are sedimentary, some are metamorphic. So different types of rocks are presented here. Next term is what is mineral? What mineral hota kya hai? ठीक है, mineral is a substance that we use to get naturally from the earth, and it is in solid form, inorganic form, or a crystal structure. These three forms they are having because of the geological process. Vivek, can you please tell me what do you understand by geological process? Vivek, am I audible?
Very good. स्कूल में ऐसे बैठती हो?
Vivek, can you hear me? I don't know.
ये वन एंड माइनिंग
Okay, Aryan,
मैम स्क्रीन चली गई।
अब आ गए, अब बताओ जियोलॉजिकल प्रोसेस कहते हैं किसे? व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय जियोलॉजिकल प्रोसेस?
मैम मैं बताऊं?
हमको बता रहे हैं।
No, let him. Suyash or Aryan, you can try.
यस मैम।
Come on. Tell me what do you understand by geological process? Whatever you understand by this term, geological process. Tell me, then I will make it clear.
मैम समथिंग व्हिच इज डन बाय नेचुरल।
Yes, something that happened by the natural process on the surface of the earth or rather on the beneath of the earth. अर्थ के अंदर या अर्थ के बाहर कुछ भी naturally अगर change होता है, that is known as the geological process. Okay, so minerals are having three forms: solid, inorganic, and crystal structure, and these three forms are generated basically by the geological process. Okay, and when we study about the minerals, that study is called mineralogy. And minerals can be made of a single chemical element or also or more than one element also. Like iron ore, whenever we find out the iron ore, or we can take the example of petroleum also. When we dig a hole in a surface of the earth and get petroleum from inside of the earth, that liquid does not, that is mineral. That does not come in the petroleum form always. That's why we have the petroleum refineries also in India, near to Lucknow, in Mathura also. Why what these petroleum refineries or mineral refineries, how they work? They work that they used to separate the different minerals from that elements. They used to separate it. Like if we dig a hole in on the surface of the earth and we get out the petroleum, it is not only a petroleum, it is a combination of kerosene also. Maybe diesel is also there. Maybe we can get the precious gems also with them, and the Vaseline petroleum jelly. All these types of things, etc. things we can get from there also. And like whenever we get the minerals like iron from the surface of the earth, or from dig a hole or from the iron mines, so that iron can also have the combination of manganese. Okay, so किसी भी mineral में we can't say that this mineral is having the single compound of the single elements. They are all the elements are there. They are having the single mineral quality. ऐसा नहीं होता है. Are you getting me? कभी कभी एक ही एलिमेंट, मतलब पूरा मिनरल जो होता है वो एक ही केमिकल क्वालिटी का होता है. कभी कभी एक ही कोई मिनरल it is having more than one chemical element. समझ में आ रहा है? तो दिस इज मिनरल. रॉक और मिनरल में डिफरेंस क्या है? रॉक इज द कॉम्पोजिशन ऑफ अ सिंगल एलिमेंट ऑफ मिनरल. या तो किसी रॉक में सिर्फ आयरन हो सकता है, या आयरन, मैग्नीज, लाइमस्टोन, कुछ भी हो सकता है. ठीक है. मिनरल्स में क्या होता है? सेम इज देयर. एक ही एलिमेंट का मिनरल भी हो सकता है, एक से ज्यादा एलिमेंट का भी मिनरल हो सकता है, केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज के अकॉर्डिंग. नाउ यू कैन सी ऑन योर स्क्रीन द पिक्चर ऑफ डिफरेंट मिनरल्स आर देयर. Diamond is there, and so many different minerals are there. Next is types of rock. What are types of rock? What do you understand by that? There are three types of rock: igneous rock, sedimentary rock, and metamorphic rock. First of all, we are going to study about igneous rock. Now you can see the different pictures according to their name also. Basalt, gabbro, granite, rhyolite, dacite, pumice, pegmatite. All these are igneous rock. Actually, igneous rock are mainly formed by the solidification of magma or lava. When there is any volcanic activity occur on the surface of the earth, the magma of the core of the earth come on the upper side of the earth surface, and when it get contact with atmosphere, because whenever we'll talk about the beneath of the earth, whenever we talk about the under layer of the earth, the temperature is very high. So in that places, these rocks or these minerals are found in a solid liquid form. So when they come on the surface of the earth, or if they come near to the crust of the earth also, these magma or lava became solid. वो solid बन जाते हैं. Okay, when they became solid, then they form the igneous rock. So, according to this paragraph, igneous rocks are formed from lava or magma. Magma is molten rock that is underground, and lava is molten rock that erupt out on the surface. The two main types of igneous rocks are plutonic rocks and volcanic rocks. Listen one. Yes, I am going to tell the difference between magma and lava. When yes, you want to answer?
They both are molten rock.
Yes, they both are molten rock. Actually, they both are same things. But the difference between them is this, that magma is the liquid form of the earth core which come near to the crust, जो crust तक आता है. When this magma come on the surface of the earth, वो lava बन जाता है. We call it lava. If it is under the surface of the earth, we call it magma. When it come on the surface of the earth, it become lava. This is the minute difference between magma and lava. So when the magma got solidificated underground near crust, or if there is a hole in between two rocks, कहीं पर भी surface के नीचे crust में अगर magma solid हो जाता है, cool हो जाता है, that is also igneous rock. And when this magma come on the surface of the earth and it become in a solid form, that is also known as the igneous rock. There are two types of igneous rocks, is plutonic rocks and volcanic rocks. It is not in your syllabus, that's why I'm not going to explain it, you'll get confused. But volcanic rocks, you can easily understand that it is made up of lava, and plutonic rocks, when the surface of the tectonic plates used to move from one place to another, and the magma which is somewhere stuck under the crust, it come outside, that is the plutonic rock. Okay, now I'll show you the picture. Now I will tell you the characteristic. You can see this, the picture of the igneous rock in this picture. Each and every rock is having dark color. Can you see that? Class 9?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll make it little bit wide for your of you. You can see this granite. Is granite where you can see the little particles are of there are having black colors, and others are having little light color comparison to the other color. In this rock also, in basalt also, you can see, because the lightened part, the light color part gets solidificated first. वो पहले solid हो गए थे. Okay, जब वो पहले solid हो गए थे, तो वो धीरे धीरे कूल होते हुए एंड रॉक साइकिल इज अ स्लो प्रोसेस. ओके, तो रॉक एक बार जब इग्नियस बन जाता है तो इट स्टार्टेड हैविंग द रॉक साइकिल. वो रॉक साइकिल उसमें आने लगता है अपने आप. ओके, यू कैन see that this one is also a igneous rock, and this is also an igneous rock, but the surface of this rock is very uneven, and the surface of this rock is very, you can see this surface is very, we can say in the language of a rock, it is smooth. उससे तो बेहतर ये ना चिकना है थोड़ा. Okay, so these all things happens just because of the function of the rock cycle, function of erosion, function of weathering. ठीक है, weathering और erosion कब कैसे होता है? अगर किसी there is a famous दोहा of कबीर, I think, रस्सी आवत जाते सिल पर परत निशान, कि if we rub that रस्सी, the rope on sill, I don't know you are having a sill at your home or not, you can ask your mother. If she is having, she will show it to you. वो पत्थर का टुकड़ा होता था, एक बिग एक स्मॉल, जिसपे पहले लोग मसाले पीसते थे, चटनी भी उस पे पीसते थे. इवन नाउ डेज ऑल्सो स्पेशली चटनी उस पे पिसवाई जाती है, वो बहुत टेस्टी होती है. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर हैविंग दैट सिल एट योर होम? सिल बट्टा
मेरे पास भी है.
मेरे पास भी.
Okay. Actually, that silbatta is never made of sedimentary rock. वो मेटामॉर्फिक का भी जल्दी नहीं बनता है, वो इग्नियस का ही जल्दी बनता है, क्योंकि उसको रब करने पर वो जल्दी, मतलब उसके पार्टिकल्स निकलते नहीं कि किरकिराने लगे आपका खाना. ओके, सो as the Rahim says कि वो अगर you take a rope and start rubbing it on a rock, तो वहां पर रोप निशान बना देती है. ओके, तो दैट इज वेदरिंग. किसी रॉक को कंटिन्यूअसली आप रोप से रब कर रहे हो, if the water is flowing on its surface, or if the wind are blowing there, or that area is having the heavy rainfall, तो ये जो अपर लेयर ऑफ रॉक होती है ये धीरे धीरे करके रब होती है और घिसती है. ओके, next, this is now you are able to understand the formation of igneous rock. Class 9, please tell me, Zaveri and others.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Now we are going to study about the characteristics of igneous rock. Because igneous rock is directly made up from magma or lava, that's why it does not contain fossils. नॉर्मली उनके पास फॉसिल्स होते ही नहीं. इग्नियस रॉक में फॉसिल्स तुम्हें मिलेंगे ही नहीं. सुयश, कैन यू प्लीज टेल मी व्हाट इज फॉसिल्स? व्हाट आर फॉसिल्स?
Ma'am, the fossils are rocks which are made up of most of.
Actually, fossils are not rocks. Okay, let me ask, किससे पूछूं? Okay. Vivek, can you hear me? बोलेगा नहीं तो. Okay, good, great. Vivek, you know what is fossils?
मैम फॉसिल तो
Fossils?
पुराने जमाने में,
Yes. Tell, come on.
पुराने जमाने में एनिमल्स, कोई भी मैम मटेरियल उन्हें मैम.
Very good, very nice. Very nice. The dead body of animals or plants which is stuck under the
एनीथिंग मैम.
between the rock. ठीक है, so that is fossils. That we are getting the fossils of mammoth, we are getting the fossils of dinosaurs, we are getting the fossils of people who lived 4,000 years ago. These all things are fossils. Even we are getting the fossils of leaves of that plant. Okay, but igneous rock generally does not contain the fossils. Igneous rock में fossils नहीं मिलते हैं. Why? If I'll ask why, you will answer because igneous rocks are made up of molten magma or lava. The temperature is very high, so there is no possibility of presence of fossils there. Okay. Next is rarely react with acid. Actually, this igneous rock is the basic rock, and it has already reacted in a high temperature and pressure. That's why these igneous rock generally does not react with acid. अगर आप उस पे acid डालेंगे और उसमें कोई activity हो तो generally it does not happen. Okay, next is usually has no layering. Igneous rock does not have layering. I'll show you the picture again. You can see in this picture. Layer किसी भी igneous rock में तुम्हें नहीं मिलेगी. This one is shining because it is very shining type of a igneous rock. इसलिए लग रहा है, लेकिन layer is also not there. Okay, so we will not get the layers in igneous rock. Clear? Next is usually made up of 2 or more minerals. We can find lots of minerals in igneous rock. Actually, the Deccan Plateau of India, it is made up by the molten magma of Gondwana land. I don't know a lakh year before or when it happened. कभी इंडिया के साउदर्न पार्ट में भी बहुत से एक्टिव वोल्केनोज थे. ओके, वो काफी ज्यादा जो थे, जो हमारा डेक्कन प्लेट्यू है वो इट इज मेड अप ऑफ द एक्टिव वोल्केनो. दैट्स व्हाई वी आर फाइंडिंग लॉट्स ऑफ मिनरल्स माइंस देयर इन डेक्कन प्लेट्यू, स्पेशली इन छोटा नागपुर प्लेट्यू. जो छोटा नागपुर प्लेट्यू एरिया है इंडिया में, झारखंड, बिहार एंड दैट एमपी का एरिया आता है उसमें, मध्य प्रदेश का, वहां पे दैट एरिया इज नोन एज छोटा नागपुर प्लेट्यू एंड इट इज वेरी वेरी रिच फॉर द मिनरल्स. ओके, यूजुअली मेड अप ऑफ 2 or more minerals. मतलब दैट igneous rock contain 2 minerals or more than 2 minerals. Single mineral का igneous rock मिलना, it is not possible. It contains lots of mineral in it. Next is maybe light or dark colored. Light और dark color दोनों के हो सकते हैं igneous rock, मैंने example दिया था. Next is usually made up of mineral crystals of different sizes. You can see the different sizes and different shapes of these igneous rock here on your screen. Okay, class 9th.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
So we are ending our class on igneous rock, and because time is
Ma'am.
over, yes.
मैम बस आप एक बार बता दीजिए कि मैम यूटी में क्या क्या आ रहा है, बहुत कंफ्यूजन है.
Chapter number 2, rotation, earth grid. Chapter number 2, earth grid आ रहा है. Chapter number 3, rotation and revolution आ रहा है. Chapter number 4, structure of the earth आ रहा है. And chapter number 6, this rock and rock cycle. 4 chapters are coming. Do you got the new syllabus or not?
No, ma'am.
Hello, I will send it. Definitely, I will send it today. Okay, when I'll get free, I will send it to you on my group, SST group. Second thing, in history civics, first, second, third chapters are coming. Harappan civilization, Vedic and Jainism and Buddhism, and first chapter of civics, our constitution, that I will teach when I will finish this chapter. Is it clear? 4 chapters are coming in geography and 4 chapters are coming in history civics. Is it clear?
हेलो मैम.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ विवेक बोलो.
मैम मैंने होमवर्क दिया.
Vivek, I am not able to hear you. Please give me the voice message or typed message on WhatsApp. Okay, I'm ending this
Yes, ma'am.
class. We will meet tomorrow. I will conduct a class tomorrow. I just want to complete this chapter as soon as possible. So I will give you the link, and all of
Bye,
you
ma'am.
please download the GeoMeet app, because this Google, I'm not happy with this Google Meet app. Okay, because whenever I share the screen, I'm not able to see you all, or I am watching that सबका कैमरा ऑफ है. मैंने पहले ही बोला था. कोई बात नहीं, कैमरा ऑफ करो, मैं एब्सेंट लगा देती हूँ इसको. Okay, so we will meet tomorrow. Goodbye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
बाय मैम.
Bye, ma'am.